Hello and welcome to our latest video, where we will be introducing Chat GPT, a revolutionary new AI chatbot that can hold its own in a conversation. If you've ever used chatbots before, you know that they can be a bit hit or miss. Some are really good at answering simple questions, but struggle when it comes to more complex or open-ended conversation. That's where Chat GPT comes in. What is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is a chatbot that uses state-of-the-art language processing technology to understand and respond to user input. It was trained on a massive dataset of human conversation, so it has a deep understanding of how people talk and what they might say next. This makes it much more capable of carrying on a natural, flowing conversation than other chatbots. How does it work? ChatGPT works by predicting the next word or phrase that a user is likely to say based on the context of the conversation. It uses this prediction to generate a response that is relevant and appropriate to the conversation. The more it is used, the better it gets at understanding and predicting what people will say, allowing it to have even more natural and engaging conversations. To give you an idea of what ChatGPT is capable of, let's take a look at a few examples of it in action. Write a blog post on best video editors of 500 words. Now you can see the AI chatbot is start writing, and this chatbot give you the 90% unique article. You can make video scripts, blog posts, and also do the research on this AI chatbot. This is really a cool and amazing. Conclusion. As you can see, ChatGPT is a truly remarkable chatbot that is capable of carrying on engaging and natural conversations. Whether you're looking for a new way to communicate with friends or just want to have a fun conversation with an AI, ChatGPT is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave your thoughts on ChatGPT in the comments below.